Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make this really simple chicken. I mean, it takes no time at all, really kind of simple method. So in a mixing bowl, I've got 1 kg, which is 2.2 pound of chicken parts cut up. So I've got, you know, legs, thighs, everything in there, a bit of breast, bone in, skin on. We're going to hit that with a little bit of oil. I'm using olive oil, maybe 3 tablespoons there. Try and use a nice decent quality olive oil if you can. Then here we go. I'm going to add a cup of onion, which I've cut really small. Actually put it into my machine. A cup of celery, optional, but I think it's delicious in there. Salt, pepper and oregano, about a teaspoon each, maybe slightly more of the oregano. Tablespoon of chopped garlic. Get in there with your hand, well in my case with my hand. Just going to give that a little mix up. Like I say, this is a very simple method. So over to a dry pan on a slightly above medium heat. Drop the whole lot in and let that go for about 6 or 7 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Beautiful stuff. Very simply, we're now going to add some stock. Now I'm using stock, a chicken stock. If you wanted, you could, you know, just use water, but I'm going chicken stock, and I've got about 600 or 700 ml of stock there, or slightly, you know, just enough to kind of, you know, just about kind of, you know, cover it up a bit. And all we do now, stay on this heat, and we're going to let it go for about another 6 or 7 minutes. Lid off so it kind of steams out, and you've got yourself a beautiful simple chicken ready to roll. Delicious with rice, with potatoes, entirely up to you. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. And don't forget, if you like what you're seeing here, to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Bye.